Welcome to another demo class. My name is Valerie Austin and I am part of FE at Intecap. Today I will show you how to play HedBandz to practice questions using the verb to be. Let's start. Okay guys, so we're going to practice the verb to be. Okay, so we're going to play a game. This game is called HedBandz. Okay, so I'm going to explain you how it works. So this is a headband. Okay, so the first step is, so take your headband and you're going to put it in your forehead. Okay, so everyone do that. Yes, okay, very good. So you're going to have a card. Okay, so I'm going to show you first how it works. So I don't know what my card is, and I'm going to start asking questions using the verb to be. Okay, so as you can see here on the board, these are the categories that we have. So you can ask, am I an object? Am I an animal? Am I a place? I am a person, or am I food? So I'm going to start, okay? Am I an object?
Yes.
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 Yes, okay. Am I in the house?
Yes.
Yes.
Can be.
Yes? Okay.
Yes.
You can only answer yes or no. No, it can be maybe no. So yes, you are, or no, you're not, okay? Complete answers. Okay, am I in the house?
No, you're not.
Very good. Am I at school?
Yes.
Yes, you are.
Okay, am I in the classroom?
Yes, you are.
Okay, am I at desk?
No, you're not.
Am I a notebook?
No, you're not.
Am I a pencil?
Yes, you are.
Okay, perfect. Thank you. And I'm a pencil. So that's what you have to do, okay? But we're going to have turns. So Paula is going to start, and you can only ask one question. Then Brenda, one question. Diana, one question. Dacia, one question. And then we go back to you, okay?
Okay.
So everyone, without looking at your card, take it and put it on your headband, okay? Without looking at it.
Like this?
Yes, like that. Very good. Perfect. Okay, Diana, let me help you.
Okay.
It goes here. Perfect. Okay, guys. So are you guys ready?
Yes.
Yes? Okay, Paula, let's start.
Am I an object?
Yes.
Yes, you are.
Okay.
Am I an animal?
Yes, you are.
Yes, you are. Am I a person?
No, you're not.
Am I food?
No, you're not.
Okay.
Am I at school?
No, you're not.
Okay. Am I black?
No,
No,
you're
you're
not.
not. Am I an animal?
No, you're
No,
not.
you're not.
Am I a person?
No, you're
No,
not.
you're not. Am I a cow?
No, you're not. Am I something to drink?
No, you're not.
Am I in the kitchen?
Yes,
Yes,
you
you
are.
are. Am I a car?
Yes, you are. Yes, very good.
Am I in the circus?
Yes, you are.
Yes. Yes. Am I a fruit?
Yes,
Yes.
you are.
Yes, you are.
Am I a spoon? No, you're not.
No, you're not. So I'm not an object. Am I a person?
No,
you're
you're not
not.
a person.
No. Okay.
Am I an elephant?
No,
No, you're
not
not.
an elephant.
Am I an apple?
No,
No,
you're
you're
not.
not.
Am I a pot?
No, you're
No, you're
No,
not.
you're not.
Am I a place?
No, you're not a place.
Okay.
Am I a lion?
Yes, you are. Yes, very good. Yes. Diana, let's continue.
Am I yellow?
Yes.
Yes, you are.
Okay.
Yes.
Am I a stove?
No,
No,
you're
you're
not.
No, you're
not.
not.
You're not.
Am I food?
Yes,
Yes,
you
you
are.
are.
Okay.
Am I food?
Yes, you are.
Am I a banana?
Yes, you are. Yes, very good, very good. That's it. Let's continue.
Okay. Am I a pan?
No,
No,
you're
you're
not.
not.
Okay. Am I sweet?
Yes, you are.
Okay. Thank you.
I knew it.
Am I for breakfast?
No,
No,
you're
you're
not.
not.
Am I an object?
No,
No,
you're
you're
not.
not. That's. I'm going to give you a clue. Okay. You're not big. You're small.
Okay. Am I a cup?
Yes, you are. Yes, very good. Okay, Paula. Now this is the last one, okay, guys? So let's see who's the winner.
Okay.
Am I? Am I fruit?
No, you're not.
No, you're not.
Okay.
Am I? Am I an apple?
No,
No, you're not.
Am I food?
Yes,
Yes,
you
you
are.
Am I food?
No,
No, you're not.
Okay.
Am I a pie?
No,
No, you're not.
Okay.
Am I milk?
No, you're not.
It's not for breakfast.
It's
Yes.
not for breakfast.
Am I for breakfast?
No,
you're
you're
not.
not.
You're not.
Am I an animal?
Yes,
Yes,
you
you
are.
are.
Am I for breakfast?
No, you're
No,
No,
not.
you're not.
Okay.
Am I fish?
No,
No,
you're
you're
not.
not.
Am I for lunch?
Yes, you are.
Yes.
Am I in the forest?
No, you're
No,
not.
you're not.
No, you're
Okay.
Am I a cake?
No, you're
No,
not.
But you're close.
Yes, okay. But not a pie, right? I already asked a pie.
Am
But in the
I?
same category of desserts.
Okay.
Am I a main dish?
Yes, you are.
Yes, you are.
Am I pizza?
Yes. Very good. So far Diana is first place, okay?
Okay.
That's it.
Am I in the house?
No, you're not.
No.
Okay. Am I ice cream?
Yes.
Yes. Very good.
Okay.
Paula, second place.
Okay. Am I spaghetti?
No,
No,
you're
you're
not.
not.
Am I don't know, in the park?
No, you're
No,
not.
you're not.
You live in a cold place.
Ah, okay.
Yes.
Am I meat?
Yes. No, but
No,
you're
you're
not.
not.
No.
But you have meat.
Okay.
Uh-huh.
But you
Am
are
I
not.
a penguin?
Yes. you are. So that's it, third place. And Brenda. No, wait. Yes. Now you ask
Okay.
questions.
Am I with like pizza, right? Something like
With
that.
meat?
It is similar because you are young food.
Ah, I know. Am I a hot dog?
No, very close.
Am I a hamburger?
Okay, guys, so the game is over. I hope you had fun. Okay, so I'll see you next class.
Thank you.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video and follow us on social media.